Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. We're doing it. Quick video today, guys, because one, it's last minute, it's Sunday. Hey y'all, I'm sorry I keep doing this, but life is hard. Okay, just chill. Just chill. We're in November. This has to be the October Derma ARiiE influencer box. So we're just gonna do this real quick, as it feels a little heavier than usual. So there might be like a heavy cream or a heavy moisturizer with that glass bottle in there. Maybe a serum, I don't know. But I'm ready to get into this unboxing and to see what we got. Don't mind the little bruises still on my face. If you see my last video with my LED mask, you know that that's what it's from. And my skin is gonna be gorgeous, okay? So if you guys are ready to get into this Derma ARiiE influencer unboxing for October, keep on watching. Alright, let's get into it. Again, excuse my hair, it's a mess. It's gonna be a mess because thank you. Thank you. Now, we got the mermaid knife for the unboxings. And I'm already exhausted. It's not even late, but like the daylight savings time, what are we saving it for? Okay, what are we saving it for? Because right now, 4 o'clock feels like 10, right? So when it gets to 9, I feel like I should have been already asleep for 16 hours. I hate it. I hate it so bad. Oh my God, when I go into the office now, I leave my house at 6 in the morning and it's still dark. And when I leave the office at around 4, it's getting dark. So I get home and I miss all the daylight. I do. Let's get into these, you know, I can't. Sorry. I'm excited. You know why I'm excited? Because I see a product in here that I gave away for my skincare giveaway that I did not have for myself. And it was kind of expensive, so I'm happy. So we're gonna get to that last. We're gonna get to it last, okay? And that's probably what's so heavy, because I remember them. So the first thing in here is the Ultra Hydrating Advanced Repair Night Cream with Hyaluronic Acid, Squalene, and Ceramides. I think I've had this before. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna smell it. So to use, it says apply a rich layer onto face and neck and gently massage the skin until cream is absorbed. I'm gonna assume it's about the texture and the thickness of the, I think I've had this before. Of the, oh yeah, it's that just baby thick. Of the vitamin C overnight, which I use all the time. I actually use it. I use it during the day too. Especially on days when I'm in the house all day, just so you know. But doesn't really smell like anything. Very lightly fragrant. It just smells like, see, this is why you gotta get it in, because nice. So if you have drier skin, this is gonna be it for you. But honestly, even if you have oilier skin, with the way the weather is going right now, how cold it's been, you're gonna want to really moisturize. I noticed that during the winter months or colder months, even in fall, like New York has like a fake fall, which is like a real winter sometimes. So it can get really cold really fast out of nowhere, and you're just gonna feel really dry. Like right now, I can use an oil when I go to bed or during the day because I'm gonna be okay. My oils are pretty much controlled. I also don't know if that's like the mask I've been using. I know my oils were very, very much controlled, not using those supplements that I honestly need to buy again. So this is gonna be good for most skin types, if not all. Again, I also have very sensitive skin and it still works for me. So I'm just letting you guys know. And again, don't mind the little bruises. That's from my LED mask. Next is the Ultra Hydrating Serum, Hyaluronic Acid, and Green Tea. Now, I don't know that I'm going to use this. I've been using their acne serum with salicylic acid, which just ran out today. Yeah, gotta buy a new one. But it's my favorite. It's been my go-to, not because I have super bad acne. It's just that I have stupid little breakouts that annoy me. And I don't want that. and I get stress breakouts, I get hormonal breakouts, I get life hates me breakouts. Don't know why I was doing that. But let's get into this serum real quick. So this is why I say that it's always a quick video with Derma E. As of late, aside from whole new lines like the Bio Pure, I think that's what it's called, online, I've only been receiving about 3 items from them. So there's that. It says intensely a moisturizing serum. I don't know what we're gonna use here. There we go. So it looks like a moisturizer. Like usually serums are a little lighter. Maybe have like a, oh, it's pretty light, but usually like the color is more like a gel consistency, or you know, more on the clear side for a lot of these serums. But it feels nice. It definitely feels hydrating for sure. My hairy little arm. It definitely feels hydrating. So that's nice, and it doesn't feel sticky. I don't know why that's a thing for me. I do not like when my serums or moisturizers really feel sticky. They said that that's good to have like a tacky base for your makeup if you want to use something as a primer, but I do not like it at all in a serum. But it feels nice. It actually feels like kind of cool. Actually feels kind of cooling, so that's nice. And again, very light, just a not very fragrant, smells like moisturizer. Like you guys, Avon lotion, that's what it smells like. If you guys know, you know. Just shows how old you are. But I did have a conversation with my friend the other day. He always hits me up and asks me about skincare products. Like, oh, how do I feel about this? How do I feel about that? So he's like, how do you feel about rose water? And I said, I love it actually. Though some products with rose water can be a little too fragrant for me. He's like, it's always like about the fragrance with you. And I said, yes. It triggers my headaches, okay? Not only does it give me a stronger headache. If you guys don't know, I have one headache for the rest of my life. It's been 6 years now. It's only on the right side of my head. But yeah, so that's one of my triggers. Not only does it trigger my headache, it makes me sick. Like I'm going to physically throw up. And that's happened before with a BoxyCharm product. It was like a lip gloss that was in that BoxyCharm, and I opened it and immediately it was dying. Like I put it on and it was okay, and then it was just the rest of the video I was sick. Like I had such a bad headache, I had to go lay down. I didn't even start editing that day. So that's a thing. So for me, the fragrance is a big factor. Like I can't do anything too fragrant, not like the floral scents. Like the citrus is okay. The vitamin C products do have, I just want you guys to know, this hand feels so nice. It feels so smooth and supple. But yeah, so any of the vitamin C products usually have like a little hint of a citrus smell, but great products. They do not trigger my headaches. If you guys have a headache condition, if you guys are sensitive to smells, all of Derma E products are going to be great for you, just so you know. Now to the last product, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So this is the Vitamin C Bright Eyes Hydrogel Patches. And it has caffeine and B3. And it says to use, place gel pads onto clean, dry under eye for 10 minutes or longer if desired, in the morning, evening, or when needed. Discard after use and pat serum into skin. So pretty weighty, like heavy. So it says it's 3 ounces, it's 60 gel patches, so you get 30 uses, right? 2 eyes. And I did open them when I was showing you guys what was being given away in that giveaway. I can't wait to use them. I'm not going to use any now. I should put them on and look stupid for the rest of the video, but I'm not. I'm going to use it later. So there is a scoop because it's very, like, I guess it's like a silicone patch, and they are heavily saturated. Yes, so it doesn't smell like anything. It's going to brighten the under eyes. That's what they look like. I can't wait because I saw it and I was like, you know what? We got to give the people the good stuff. So just gonna flip one. They're pretty thick too. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope so. But yeah, pretty. They're good. I want to try. I don't know if they're good. I have to double check with the winner of that giveaway. But I was so excited about them. I was like, you know what? It was just a little too much money that I spent on that. Like, that was like $150 worth of product just to get the winter started on their skincare journey with some of my favorite skincare products. I just threw this in there because I did not include eye patches, and I do enjoy them. My favorite for right now are from Elemis. But I'm going to try these. Super excited to do so. And I'm going to be even more beautiful. When I tell you that skincare, that LED mask is, when I say transforming my skin, I feel like the texture alone is amazing. And right now, most of my skincare routine does consist of Derma ARiiE products. I've just, like, through these monthly boxes, I've just found more and more products that I love. And then when I go to Ulta, I'm in the Derma ARiiE section, I just find new things. I really do. But those anti-acne patches are amazing. The pads, amazing. I recommend it all the time. The cleanser is really good, and I know this from my brother and his friends who I gave them those cleansers. And when one of them ran out, he's like, yeah, do you have any more of that cleanser? And I was like, I'll get you some, don't worry about it. And he said that he tried it and it's been good. It's been out for like a couple months, but once he realized that he started breaking out again, he's like, oh no, I need that. So it definitely works. It's great. Trust me. I would never put your guys' skin in danger. That's not what I'm about, because that's your face. Can't. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to Derma ARiiE. I'm pretty sure I'm off of the list next year. I am. I know that I am. While I do post, I don't always post on Instagram. I've only posted one on Instagram, which I need to do another follow-up skincare routine for Instagram. But I'm just happy to have received this in the first place. It really expanded my skincare, because sometimes you think that the most expensive stuff is the best stuff, and that's not it. That's not it. Because Derma ARiiE is very affordable for the most part. I can't say what's affordable for everybody else. This is a global cost of living crisis, and these are for me, some of the products are essential, and like you kind of have to listen. Take care of yourself, right? Just saying. Those student loans, I've forgiven myself for them. I don't know about y'all, but we're not gonna get into that. But yeah, that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, make sure to go ahead and give this video a like for me. I'm not talking fast, y'all, just listen slow. In the words of Lil Wayne, if it ain't broke, don't break it, okay? Guys, I'm exhausted. But this is it. That's my thumbnail picture. I always do the dumbest thumbnail pictures. I love it. I gotta use them from the video, though. But, oh, guys, before I go, you guys did not tell me. No one sounded off in my video about the LED mask if you guys wanted to try it. That was my way of trying to get feedback from y'all, because it is expensive, to see if you guys will want one, right? You guys know I like to give giveaways, and Christmas is coming, and I feel like I should do like little care packages of stuff, right? Just some cute mini stuff, and do a giveaway that way. Maybe like a raffle and wrap them up like presents. I think I want to do that this year. I always do a Christmas onesie look. Okay. Yeah. This is the second time I've done this. I realized last week that I'm less than a month away from my birthday shoot. And I usually take a vacation right after. Like the next day. I'm not prepared for that. Yeah. Okay. Are you stressed out like I am? I know you are. But yeah, that before I panic, if you haven't already, guys, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.